How to fix Bet365 app not working. So we do have a few options here to potentially help you with this problem. So the first thing, the main thing you can try is to check your internet connection for any problems. So make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Next is basically just clearing cache in your settings. So go ahead to the apps, find Bet365, and then once you open it, you should be able to see a clear cache. If you press on clear all data, it's gonna reset everything. You're gonna have to log in back into your account. It's not gonna get rid of um, details in your account, but it's gonna reset it to technically when you first downloaded the app. But once you do that, it could help removing corrupted temporary files that can often cause crashes. You can also try updating it if you're not in the latest version or reinstalling the app. It's pretty much the same as clearing your data. So if you want to do that instead, you could always do so. Check for device or OS updates as well, since updated operating systems can cause compatibility issues. Update your device under settings or software update. Then use the official app only, so avoid third-party APKs and whatnot. Disable any VPNs or proxies if you have any of them on. Check Bet365 server status, since sometimes the issue on the server is on Bet365's end. So you can visit the website or you can search for the server status of Bet365 to confirm if it's not down. You can also try freeing up some storage space, since the app might crash if your phone storage is full. So delete unused app or files and relaunch B365. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.